What's up guys, JB here with Iconic Mods, and today we're redoing a new segment on our channel. It used to be called Unpacked, now it's going to be called Tech Haul, and yeah, we got some stuff to open, so stay tuned. Alright, so as you can see, we got quite a few boxes here, so just like any other tech video unboxing, we're just gonna crack them open and see what we got. I ordered a bunch of stuff. I have some companies that's sending me some stuff, so there's some, we'll talk about that as we open up stuff. So got the unboxing knife, as you guys can see. Yeah, baby, that's that fire right there. So we're gonna crack it open and see what we got. Yes sir, we got the Arctis, MSI Arctis B350 AM4 motherboard. That's that all white. Yes sir, see that right there? That's that goodness right there. This is gonna be part of a build that I'm gonna do in the Blizzard case mod that we did in the last video. So yeah, that's that. Let's set this to the side. Let's see what else we got in here. We have Thermaltake sync controller. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not, but it's a Thermaltake sync controller for fans, peripherals, any kind of Thermaltake RGB lighting that goes on. This is what synchronizes all of it right here, so that's good to have that. So we're gonna set that to the side there. Let's toss that box. I hit up Micro Center the last time I was in New York, and I was able to snatch up one of these. This is the AM4, the Ryzen 3 2200G. And that's gonna go in this Arctis motherboard. This is gonna be a test bench setup that I'm doing just so I can like test fans and do other stuff. But yeah, I needed something that I can get started with. I'm still looking for a graphics card that I can toss in there, but for now this will get us started. So that's something else that's good. So we'll toss that to the side as well. This box right here, I actually know what's exactly in this box. This is a new partnership on the channel that just happened recently. We just partnered up with Vision Tech, who is the parent company of OCPC Gaming, and OCPC Gaming is trying to get out there right now, and they sent us over some stuff to review, so we're gonna crack this open and see what it is. But there'll be more stuff coming on our channel from them in the future, so stay tuned for that. So let's crack it open. So this is the OCPC RGB Extreme, as you can tell. It's the RGB Extreme RAM kit. That's what they sent us for review, and we'll be taking a look at that. It supports Aura Sync, as you can see right there, and it looks pretty dope, if I must say so myself. But that'll be coming up in another video very soon, so stay tuned for that. So we'll set that off to the side as well. This is, I don't even know if I need to take this out the case. You guys can kind of see what that is. That is the Fractal Design Meshify C case in black with the tempered glass panel. That's something we're gonna be doing a review on coming up on the channel very soon as well. So you'll see that. This box right here is actually another partnership that just happened recently as well. So this is from UFO Technologies. I don't know if any of you know of UFO Technologies, but they are the I don't know if you would say competitor, but they're in the same sphere as Mayhem Solutions as far as the coolants go, and they got some pretty dope stuff. And they sent me out this box. It's pretty massive, so I imagine there's quite a bit of stuff in there. So let's crack it open and see what we got. All right, and I'm gonna actually set this on the floor because it's pretty big and it's actually kind of heavy. So alright, cool, we got that open now. Let's see what we get, baby. Alright, now it's open. Oh, wow. Alright, so we got solution on solutions on solutions. This is UFO Technologies has one that is just like the view fluid by Mayhem's. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but this is their cryo-chillz fluid. This one is actually, I can't tell if that's purple or black. It looks purple, but so yeah, that's that one. But it might be the galactic black. It might be just the lighting in the room. So we're gonna set that off right here. And we got a ton of fluids in here, so we're just gonna pull them out one by one. Oh wow, yeah, I like this one. Check that out. That's another one. It's got that. Yeah, baby, look at that. Check that out. What? Yes, sir. That's gonna look dope in a rig. That's gonna look killer in a setup. Yes, sir. So that's another one. We got a red. We got this red here. Yeah, we're gonna set that up. Oh yeah. I'll let y'all see that right there. Woo! Saucy. So, let's see what else we got. Okay, we got a silver. Got a silver joint. So y'all can see that as well. Yes, sir. Got another black one. Right here. So that first one is purple. So this one here. This one is actually one I already have. It's in my rig now currently. This is called the Galactic Black. The purple, I'm not really sure what that one is called, but yeah. And we got two more silvers right here. Wow, he sent me a lot of stuff. We got a lot. Some more silvers. Let's see what else. Okay. All right. Hey, so we got another lime green joint right here like this. Yes, sir. I'll give you another little shot of that. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's dope. Woo, that's fire. All right. So this is one that he told me about recently. This is what he's switching over to. These are his old bottles that he used to have up there at UFO Technologies. These are the 1 liter bottles. They're already pre-mixed. All you have to do is pour them into your setup and it's good to go. This is, but they were having issues with shipping out stuff. It was a pain in the butt. As you can see, how big this box was, he had to put it in a massive box to be able to ship me all of these coolants. However, he is recently switched over to these concentrateds, which I don't know if it's kind of hard to see right now. You can kind of see it a little bit, but it's the same fluid, it's just concentrated. So you have to add your own distilled water to this to make it turn into that. So, but it makes it a lot easier for shipping, and it's something that you can still get that effect with. So, yeah, so that's that. And then, so we'll set that right there. And then of course, there is this behemoth. If you've been following me on Twitter, which is usually where I'm at on social media, you've seen pictures of this monitor. This is my new personal monitor. I paid for this with my own money. Samsung did not send it to me. I wish they would have. Samsung, if y'all watching, by all means, if y'all want to send me some monitors or whatever else, go ahead, go right ahead. I will review it, no problems. But this is a 43-inch, a 32x10 super ultra wide. It's a curved monitor, 120 hertz. But we're gonna get into that later. This is the C43J89 monitor, and yeah, it's all kinds of dope, and it is massive. So that's gonna be in its own separate video later on, and that'll also be coming up probably next week on the channel. I want to say, I think next Wednesday is what this video will be here. But that is it. That's it for the unboxing video. That's it. That's all we got for this time. There is more stuff on the way, so there'll be more videos coming up soon. So I'll get out the way and let you guys see all this stuff right here. So yeah, we got quite a bit of stuff that popped up in this video here. So yeah, it was good. But that's that. So I'm JB with Iconic Mods, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.